What's going on, investors? Dusty from Investments, and today I'm going to bring you the first part of the DeFi videos I'm going to be making. And the first step is going to be how to set up your metamask wallet to use Binance Smart Chain. So before we begin, we'd like to thank our Patreon supporters. So special thanks to these fine people right here. And then we also like to promote our Discord channel. So the link for both of those will be in the description below. Make sure you join up on the Discord channel, especially if you're interested in DeFi. We're all working together to try to find some good projects and kind of weed out the bad ones. So it helps to have different eyes looking for different things. With that, let's get started. I'm going to leave a link to this article in the description below. There's going to be a step-by-step on how to connect your MetaMask wallet to the Binance Smart Chain. And there's a couple steps I want to go over on this. I can't walk you through it step by step because I already have it, but I can kind of guide you along the way. So the first thing obviously you want to do is you want to install and set up MetaMask. MetaMask is a Chrome or Firefox extension. So you will need the Chrome or Firefox browser to be doing this. And you are going to download MetaMask and install it on your computer, and then you're going to want to go to the next step and create a wallet. And at this point, it's going to give you a backup seed phrase. This is like any wallet that you experience in crypto. So you're going to want to note this seed phrase. So maybe you want to write it down. The thing is, you definitely don't want to lose it, and you definitely don't want to post it on the internet. You don't want someone getting access to your wallet and stealing your funds. So you don't want this to be known by other people. Without the seed phrase, there's no way to recover your funds if your computer is lost or damaged. So it's important that you have that. That's all I'm trying to get at. However you want to save that. So it says confirm that you've written down the seed phrase on the next page, and that's it. You should see your wallet, and now you're ready to send and receive funds. And it's going to be set up for Ethereum. So it is going to look like this. And you can see the little puzzle piece on the Chrome browser. And in the Chrome browser, it'll show your extensions. If not, you can click the little dots and go to more tools, and then your extensions will be right in there. And there I have my MetaMask. So let's continue. So you'll see that it's set up for Ethereum. I currently have a little bit of Ethereum in there, not much. We need to set this up for Binance Smart Chain because Binance Smart Chain has the hot DeFi projects right now. DeFi on the Ethereum network is kind of at a standstill currently because the gas fees are too expensive to transact with. So more and more DeFi projects are being built on Binance Smart Chain as well as the Matic network. And there is a tutorial on how to set up your MetaMask for the Matic network as well. If you're interested in that, once you do this one, it'll be pretty easy because you're going to do the same process just for a different network. So let's carry on with how to set this up for Binance. So first thing you're going to want to do is open your MetaMask. You're going to want to click on this little icon here, and you're going to want to go to settings. Then you're going to scroll down until networks. And you're going to want to add a new network. And here's where you're going to want to add these details. So you're going to want to do network name Smart Chain, new RPC URL. You're going to want to copy and paste that. Chain ID 56, put it in there. Symbol BNB, and Block Explorer BSC scan. And then you're going to want to save that. I prefer just doing the mainnet. You probably don't have a need for the testnet. So after you save that, it should show up in your networks. So if you go to the dropdown where it says Ethereum mainnet, you're going to want to change it to Smart Chain. There you go. Now you are set up for BNB. Now, one of the additional factors or issues I wanted to bring to your attention, because we get this kind of a lot, is you're trying to send BNB to this wallet, but you can't because this only accepts BNB Smart Chain. So what I did is I downloaded what is called the Trust Wallet on my phone, right? And I did all the process on there, you know, do the seed phrase, back that up, you know, whatever you got to do, add your password, write that down, make sure you don't lose your stuff. And what I did is I transferred my BNB, I think it was from Kucoin or Gate.io. I'm not exactly sure what exchange I got it from, but I wasn't able to send it to metamask directly because it wanted it in BNB Smart Chain form, and I only had the BNB form. So I know this is kind of confusing, but what I did is I downloaded a Trust Wallet on my phone. Make sure you're actually doing the Trust Wallet. And I sent the BNB to the BNB account on my phone. And then what I did is I clicked the little 3 dots more on the BNB account. And I did swap to Smart Chain. There's a function right on there, and you can do a 1-to-1 swap. So however many BNB you have, you can swap it to BNB Smart Chain. Then from there, you can send your BNB Smart Chain to your MetaMask wallet. And if you were to look, you can copy your wallet address right here. Otherwise, if you click the 3 dots, you can also do a little QR code right there. So that's it for this video. That was the first video I wanted to do for DeFi. I also kind of want to make like a tips and tricks video where we got like a decent strategy we've kind of worked out in the Discord. It works sometimes, but we're also kind of ironing it out. So like I said, make sure you join up on the Discord if you're into DeFi, because we're pretty active in that space right now. One of the ones we're looking at right now is beta PULSAR. We were all pretty much in PULSAR, the alpha one, and we wrote it out for a while. We were doing really well for a bit, and we're all pretty high on this one. So this one looks like it's going to be a good next DeFi project. So like I said, make sure you join up on the Discord. If you got questions, if you got comments, make sure you leave it in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe if this video helped, or if you want more content like this. And that's about it. Till next time, later.